cordless drill is one of the most useful tools you can own, and the right one makes every project faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Today, I'm ranking the 9 best cordless drills of 2026, from budget-friendly options to professional-grade powerhouses built for serious work. Links are in the description with updated pricing. Let's get into it. Opening at number 9, the Skil Flip drill is the most uniquely designed tool on this list. The two 1/4-inch collets on a chuck that rotates at the push of a button allow you to switch between a drill bit and a driver bit instantly, drilling the pilot hole and immediately driving the fastener without changing bits or picking up a second tool. The magnet that holds a screw on deck while you drill the pilot hole is the detail that makes the workflow seamless rather than just faster. The next fastener is already staged and ready when you flip to driver mode. The digital clutch with 9 torque settings and 2 speed options provides control across different fastener sizes and materials. For pilot holes and standard fasteners on home projects, furniture assembly, and trim work, it excels. For heavy-duty drilling through thick lumber or driving large fasteners at volume, the other drills on this list are better suited. For the right application, though, nothing on this list is as cleverly productive. Number 8 is the Bosch 12-volt PS21-2A pocket driver. The pistol grip design is genuinely one of the most comfortable I've held in testing. Lightweight, compact size, and grip geometry that reduces fatigue during extended use in awkward positions. At 265 inch-pounds of torque and 1,300 revolutions per minute maximum speed, it's on the high end for the 12-volt category. The 2-speed selector handles the range from precise driving to faster drilling. In real-world testing, driving dozens of 3-inch screws into stacked 2x4s was handled consistently without issue. The compact size excelled in tight spaces, working screws in an engine bay, reaching fasteners inside cabinetry, the applications where an 18-volt tool's bulk physically prevents access. Those are the scenarios this drill owns. For light-duty fastening in tight spaces where comfort and access matter more than raw power, the Bosch pocket driver is the correct choice and one of the best 12-volt tools available. Number 7 is the Bosch 18-volt 1/2-inch brushless hammer drill. At 2.5 pounds bare tool weight and with a narrow profile with a short head, the Bosch 18-volt is the lightest full-voltage hammer drill on this list. For users who operate at height, in awkward positions, or for extended periods where tool weight directly translates into fatigue, 2.5 pounds versus the 3.3 to 5.5 pounds of competing drills is a meaningful difference rather than a marginal one. The 575 inch-pounds of torque is the lowest among the 18-volt and higher drills on this list, and in practice, it handled everything I asked of it without issue. 3-inch screws into wood drove with relative ease. 1-inch holes into wood with a paddle bit produced no hesitation. 1/2-inch holes into concrete in hammer mode, which is where many lighter drills decline, worked without struggle. For users who prioritize the lightest full-featured hammer drill available over maximum torque output, the Bosch is the pick. At number 6, the Makita 18-volt L XT 1/2-inch cordless hammer drill. The 1,250 inch-pounds of torque at 2,100 revolutions per minute maximum speed handled both drill bit tests without issue. The 1/2-inch twist bit and 1-inch spade bit through 2x4 material performed cleanly. The hammer function bored 5/8-inch holes into concrete reliably. As a driver, once speed and torque were dialed back appropriately, 3-inch wood screws drove consistently without stripping. The 7-inch head length keeps it compact enough for tighter access. The Makita LXT platform is one of the most extensive 18-volt tool ecosystems available. Batteries compatible across a wide range of tools make the Makita XPH14 a smart addition to an existing LXT collection. For buyers already in the Makita LXT ecosystem who want a capable hammer drill that integrates with their existing batteries, the performance justifies the recommendation. Number 5 is the DeWalt 20-volt Max XR 1/2-inch cordless hammer drill. 1/2-inch hole through a 2x4 with a standard bit in approximately half a second. 1-inch hole with a paddle bit in 3 seconds flat. Both were the fastest times recorded across all drills tested. That speed advantage is the DeWalt XR's defining characteristic. 3-speed options combined with adjustable torque allow precise control that prevents stripping screw heads, the control capability that makes a fast drill useful for precision work rather than just aggressive work. The anti-rotation safety feature shuts the motor off if it senses excessive rotational motion, protecting the user's wrist. The DeWalt 20-volt Max platform is the most extensively supported cordless tool ecosystem available, making battery compatibility across a large tool collection a genuine advantage. At number 4, the Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus compact cordless hammer drill. The max speed of 2,150 revolutions per minute and max torque of 850 inch-pounds represent meaningful improvements over the previous Ryobi iteration. Both are notably higher than the brand's previous hammer drill. Testing 5 1-inch holes with a spade bit in just under 4 seconds per hole, a full second faster than the older version, confirmed the upgrade is a real performance improvement rather than specification inflation. Faster times with larger fasteners and improved concrete drilling performance positioned the Ryobi in a competitive range with the premium tools above it on this list. For buyers building a tool collection on 1+ batteries, adding this drill to the ecosystem delivers serious performance without the premium brand price. The testing used Ryobi's high-performance 18-volt battery, which delivers better performance than the standard 2 ampere-hour battery. The bronze medal goes to the Flex 24-volt brushless cordless hammer drill. 1,400 inch-pounds of torque at 2,500 revolutions per minute maximum speed, the highest revolutions per minute on this list. In testing, 5 holes with a 1/2-inch twist bit and 5 1-inch holes with a spade bit each completed in under 3 seconds, smoothly and without hesitation. Those results by themselves would be impressive. But the test that defined the Flex's position was the cement block, drilling with a 3/8-inch bit, where most cordless drills would fail or stall. The Flex continued without hesitation, burrowing through cement in a way that demonstrated power headroom well beyond what the test demanded. The turbo button that boosts torque to maximum output is the control feature that makes that power accessible on demand, rather than operating at full output constantly. For buyers who need maximum power in a cordless drill and are willing to accept the weight, the Flex is the most powerful option on this list. Number 2 is the Skil PWR Core Drill Driver Kit. 3 seconds to drill a 1/2-inch hole into a 2x4. No problem driving 3-inch screws. 2 speed settings and an LED work light without the complexity of premium multi-mode systems. At 2.23 pounds, not including the battery, it's the lightest 20-volt drill on this list. The combination of narrow profile and lightweight made it one of the most comfortable to handle throughout testing. For standard household tasks, assembling furniture, hanging shelves, and general home repair, the Skil performs at a level that makes the premium price difference genuinely hard to justify. For first-time drill buyers, occasional users, and anyone whose tasks don't regularly push into heavy-duty territory, this drill does what you need it to do at a price that leaves money for other tools. The best budget pick on this list by a clear margin. And the best cordless drill of 2026 is the Milwaukee M182904 hammer drill. This drill takes the top spot because it delivers an outstanding balance of power, speed, size, and usability. With 1,400 inch-pounds of torque and a 2,100 RPM top speed, it handles everything from driving screws to drilling through concrete with ease. What really sets it apart is that all of that performance comes in a compact, lightweight package that's comfortable to use all day. You also get 3 speed settings, an auto-stop safety feature, and access to Milwaukee's excellent M18 battery platform. If you want one drill that can do just about everything, the Milwaukee M182904 is the best cordless drill you can buy in 2026. That's the 9 best cordless drills of 2026 ranked. Links are in the description with updated pricing. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.